Today I am reviewing the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-use cleaning solution for your home, the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is one of those modern household gadgets that can genuinely make daily cleaning faster and more convenient. Designed for versatility, strong suction, and user comfort, it's built for people who want efficient cleaning without dealing with bulky, wired vacuum machines. Right away, one of the most impressive features of this vacuum is its upgraded 40 kilopascal suction power. For a cordless stick vacuum, this level of suction is quite strong and makes a noticeable difference during real-world use. It easily picks up common household debris like dust, crumbs, pet hair, cat litter, and fine particles from hard floors and low-pile carpets. Whether you're doing quick daily cleaning or a deeper clean session, the suction power ensures that dirt is effectively lifted in fewer passes, saving both time and effort. The vacuum comes with 2 power modes, allowing you to switch between standard cleaning and high-performance suction depending on the mess level. The standard mode is great for everyday dust and light cleaning, while the max mode is ideal for pet hair, heavier debris, or more stubborn dirt. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of household cleaning needs. Another major highlight is the cordless and lightweight design. Weighing just around 2.8 pounds, the AIRDIYA vacuum is extremely easy to handle. It doesn't strain your wrist or arms, making it ideal for long cleaning sessions or quick spot cleaning throughout the day. This also makes it especially user-friendly for seniors or anyone who prefers a more effortless cleaning experience. Because it's cordless, you can move freely from room to room without worrying about plugging and unplugging the device. The self-standing design is another thoughtful feature. Unlike many stick vacuums that need to be leaned against a wall or placed on the floor carefully, this one can stand upright on its own. This is incredibly useful when you need to take a break during cleaning or quickly attend to something else. It also adds convenience when storing the vacuum, as it doesn't require a wall mount or special holder. In terms of battery performance, the AIRDIYA vacuum is equipped with a 6L 2200 mAh rechargeable battery system. It offers around 30 to 35 minutes of runtime in standard mode and 15 to 20 minutes in high-power mode. While this may not be suitable for very large homes requiring extended cleaning sessions, it is more than enough for apartments, small to medium-sized homes, or daily quick cleanups. The battery charges in about 4.5 hours and includes a clear charge indicator, so you always know the power status. One important aspect to note is that the battery performs best after a few full charge cycles. Like many rechargeable systems, it gradually improves efficiency after initial use, ensuring more stable performance over time. Filtration is another strong point of this vacuum. It features a 6-layer high-efficiency filtration system, including HEPA-level filtering capable of capturing particles as small as 0.2 microns. This means it doesn't just pick up visible dirt. It also helps trap fine dust and allergens, releasing cleaner air back into your home. For households with pets or allergy-sensitive individuals, this is a very valuable feature. The filters are washable and reusable, which also helps reduce long-term maintenance costs. The dust collection system is also very practical. It comes with a 1.5-liter dust cup, which is relatively large for a cordless vacuum. This means you don't have to empty it constantly during cleaning sessions. When it is time to empty it, the one-touch release system ensures a hygienic and mess-free disposal process, minimizing direct contact with dust and debris. Another standout feature is the anti-tangle brush design. Anyone with pets knows how quickly hair can wrap around vacuum rollers, but this system helps reduce that issue significantly. While occasional maintenance is still needed, especially in homes with heavy pet shedding, the design helps improve efficiency and reduces clogging during use. The LED-equipped floor brush is also a helpful addition. It lights up dark corners, under furniture, and tight spaces, making it easier to see hidden dust and debris. Combined with its 180-degree and 90-degree adjustable head, the vacuum can reach under beds, sofas, and other low furniture with ease. This makes cleaning more thorough without requiring you to move heavy furniture around. From a usability perspective, the AIRDIYA vacuum is designed for everyday convenience. It's easy to assemble, easy to operate, and easy to store. The controls are straightforward, and the overall experience is very beginner-friendly, making it suitable even for users who have never used a cordless vacuum before. In real-world usage, this vacuum performs especially well on hard floors like tile, wood, and laminate. It also handles low-pile carpets reasonably well, although it is not designed for deep-cleaning thick carpets. For homes with pets, it is particularly useful for daily maintenance cleaning, helping keep fur and dander under control. Of course, like any cordless vacuum, there are some limitations. The battery runtime is moderate, so it is best suited for quick to medium cleaning sessions rather than full house deep cleaning marathons. It also requires regular maintenance of the brush roll and filters to maintain peak performance. However, within its intended use case, it performs very effectively. Overall, the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a practical, lightweight, and powerful cleaning tool that offers strong value for everyday home use. It combines strong suction power, smart design features, efficient filtration, and cordless convenience into one compact device. It is especially well suited for small to medium homes, pet owners, and anyone looking to simplify their daily cleaning routine. If you want a vacuum that is easy to handle, powerful enough for daily messes, and convenient enough to use anytime without hassle, the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum is definitely a solid choice for modern home cleaning needs.